BEAM stands for Business, Economics, Accounting, and Marketing. So it's a prep program at UMC High School. It's actually something very special and something very unique. No other high school offers this. We will give students the opportunity to learn not only about business or accounting, but also if they're interested in going into IT, if they're interested in going to banking, finance, entrepreneurship, innovation. Any student who's interested in any of these things can join our BEAM program, and we will make sure that they're ready not only for university, but also for the jobs in those sectors. We will make sure that every single subject that is part of the BEAM program, like international business, business leadership, accounting, marketing, law, economics, all of these subjects given such instructions in such a way that you would expect from an academic institution like a university. The thing in the BEAM program is that there will only be 15 students at most. In the morning, they go to their regular class with other students. Then after school, every day, for 45 minutes, 5 days a week, we will then work with those students to develop their Capstone project, a project for university. One project for one student, another project for another student. So students feel that actually it's not like a general project the entire class is given. It's something geared towards the student's interest, which field the student wants to go into. And then students will use that portfolio to apply for jobs, to apply for universities, to get internship. Students can join this program even in grade 9. And actually that's even better because now they have more time to develop the projects. They have more time to build up their portfolio. We will have special BEAM trips for our students who are part of the BEAM program. And we will go to very exciting places throughout Toronto and indeed outside of Toronto. We will have about 6 field trips minimum every year. So we will go to Brookfield Place, we will go to Toronto Stock Exchange, we will visit factories. We will visit factories in other cities nearby Toronto, like Windsor. We will visit think tanks. For example, there's a very famous think tank in Toronto called Fraser Institute, and we are already partnering with that think tank. And once you are part of the BEAM program, you may do an internship there. And it's one of the greatest think tanks in North America. So students will get to see how the real world of business and the real world of entrepreneurship and the real world of innovation really works. No other school quite offers this because we will create the whole package for the students. We will also give them certificates of participation, certificates of achievement in contests like DECA, which is very popular in North America. One of the elements which is very special in the BEAM program, if you're in Ontario, all students must have a certain number of volunteer hours. So with the package that we are creating for the students, they will have an opportunity to earn up to 20 volunteer hours. We will work with each student to make sure that they are given a very solid reference letter for a university. They will gain experience in the real world because many of these universities look for something that student has worked on for a long time, not just the mark. They will gain academic experience, they will learn new things, and they will acquire a degree of confidence, which is quite rare.